Hello everyone. Today we will be going to Morgan Street Food Hall. I'm here with Zaire and this guy, and I think it's gonna be pretty fun. I have about an hour there. Actually, we arrived early, so it doesn't open until a couple of minutes. I see it right now. And there's Morgan Street Food Hall.
Hey, y'all want to get like a burger or something?
Sure.
There's ice cream, burgers, shrimp, fries, shakes, vanilla shakes, ice cream. You can literally get whatever you want.
I see. All right, well, when we go in, when it opens in a few minutes, I'll see what they have. Yeah, we're gonna be the first ones here. You're right.
No, it's open.
Oh, it's open? All right, let's go look if it's open. Hey, excuse me. Is this place open?
11 o'clock. The only place is open right now, the pizza place, or the coffee place is open right now. Everything else at 11.
All right. Let's wait, guys. All right, everyone. So the food hall is finally open after a long time of waiting. So I'm going to check out what they have, and I will order from there. All right, everyone. So I have this over here, some ramen. This is really my mom's, but she's letting me try some. So let's try some. So far, it looks good. Looks delicious. Tastes pretty good. So yeah, we'll hand this back to my mom. Now we're gonna wait for what I ordered. Alright guys, so all the places were closed. So we just got some pizza because all the good places were closed. So let's taste test. Pizza's hot. Sorry, pizza. It's not good. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I think a pizza's supposed to be triangle. Alright, here's my sort of pizza. So 9 out of 10 for that part. But let's see if the pizza tastes good. I don't know. Zara, what do you think about it? Yeah. It's mid. I have to give it a 8 out of 10.
We have to wait because somebody has to bring us this coffee cookie. Vanilla wafers and real cookie for the main girl.
Just the process with this one. So Zara, can you remind me what you got?
Huh?
Can you remind me what you got?
I got biscuit cookie, vanilla wafers, and an Oreo.
Alright.
Here, like that.
Can I get another vanilla wafer on top of it? And sprinkles.
Zara, show us. Show me. Wow. Alright guys, I decided to get the same thing as Zaire, as you can see. So now I'm gonna taste this. Alright everyone, we're now gonna try this roll over here. Tastes like ice cream. Sprinkles. Just nice. Okay, I guess the difference between mine and Zaire's is the Oreo there. That's about it. Basically got the same thing as them. Alright, now let's try the actual roll part. I only got the whipped cream part. Here's the roll part, as you guys can see right here. This also tastes good. Alright everyone, this will be the end of the video. So, how was Morgan Street Food Hall?
Yo, I'm telling you, don't lose the ice cream thing. All I gotta say is, get Oreo, vanilla, and what is the other one? Vanilla and
Biscoff?
The Biscoff things. And make sure you put whipped cream on that and sprinkles. You'll be good for life. That's all I gotta say.
Alright. Wow. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe and goodbye.